Gary, yung right now na you're parang returning back in showbiz kasi dati lumalabas ka naman. Medyo may fear ba? Kasi parang medyo, di ba lalo with the social media, medyo yung mata ng tao, parang papansinin lahat, magpo-comment sa lahat. Natatakot ka sa gano'n?
May fear po kasi syempre ang dami ng bago and mas bata, di ba, na artists. But yung mga comments, and sometimes I also tell my mom, if you don't read it, it won't hurt you. So, minsan ako, or most of the time, kunyari may makikita na ako na isa pa lang may nagsabi ng negative, hindi ko nababasahin yung post. Kasi syempre, I'm also a person, pag may nababasa ko, I won't deny the fact na masakit, di ba? Pag tinatawag kang, they call you names, and they say a lot of things na hindi talaga maganda. So I just don't read. I just don't read them.
And it has a lot to do with the comparison, I guess.
It has to do
Mas
a lot.
sikat,
Yes. Mas maganda, mas maganda boses, mas talented, maraming mas. Or hindi
Buti hindi ka na-discourage nun.
Hindi naman po. In fact, yung mommy ko pa yung mas affected sa akin. Ang cute-cute ni mommy. Sabi ko, ma, okay lang yan. They don't know me. So, and alam naman natin wala tayong masamang ginagawa. So, just let them. Sabi ko nga, I can't please everyone. That's just how it is. So ako, I'll keep on doing what I'm doing. And if people will appreciate me and love me, then I'll love them back. But if not, then I'll respect them either way.